With the fish freshly caught and ready to cook, I decided to add a mushroom that I gathered earlier. The aroma was mouth-watering, and I knew this would be a meal to remember. To top it off, I added the wild raspberries I had picked earlier, creating a simple yet delicious wilderness feast. As I sat by the fire enjoying the fruits of my labor, I felt a deep sense of satisfaction. The meal was exactly what I needed after a long day of surviving in the wild. Once I finished eating, I slowly started preparing for sleep, making sure my camp